that's about Tata Motors. But Piramal Enterprises, Piramal Pharma is what Ekta spoke about. Let's talk about enterprises. Now there are two different businesses. One of them is the financial, the other one is the pharmaceutical space. Piramal Enterprises is down almost, 9% Abhishek, what was so bad in the numbers that the street did not like?
When you report a net loss, this is what the street will reward you, right? So, to begin with, Piramal Enterprise in their financial services business have reported a massive loss of 1,537 crore. This is on the back of the fact that stressed assets have weighed on the performance. So, provisions are at 3,300 crore plus, which compares to 122 crore in the previous quarter. Now, interestingly, rupees 5,888 crore worth of book has moved from stage 1 to stage 2, which is like, overdues which are more than 60 days but below 90 days. In that, you have seen an inflow of about 5,900 crores. So they are large and lumpy accounts. Management has mentioned that it can expect some of these books to turn into NPA. So from stage 2, they can go to stage 3, which is overdue of more than 90 days in the coming period. Retail disbursements were strong, up about 21% YOY. However, AUM declined by 4.8% YOY and about 1.25% sequentially, given the fact that, wholesale book has declined both YOY and quarter on quarter. So we have CLSA on Piramal Enterprise. They have downgraded the stock to underperform from buy, and the target price has been reduced to 900 per share from 1170 that they had earlier. They say that, there is another big provision hit on the wholesale loans. So this 3,300 crore worth of provision actually compares to 1,100 crore of provisions done in last 2 quarters. Worst may be over, but investors won't digest this. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Abhishek. Thank you for that. That is Piramal Enterprises down 9% in
I just want to point out about Piramal Pharma. So I've been trying to work the phones with regards to Piramal Pharma as well. And it seems as though the conference call takeaways and the management commentary hasn't been that encouraging. So that's the reason why you're seeing the kind of reaction that you are on Piramal Pharma, because remember that the numbers had already come out around 2 days ago. And yes, it was a weak set of numbers, but the commentary really hasn't enthused the markets either. So as you can see, the stock has corrected around 30% already from the levels of around 200 rupees that it had listed at when the demerged entity, which is Piramal Pharma, had listed separately on the exchanges. And remember that the story for Piramal Pharma is that it has one of the best US hefty or compliance, compliance histories ever. But still, that isn't enough to enthuse the street or to give them that kind of resilience. So the management commentaries really got the
So if you're holding either of the Piramals and saw Pharma today perhaps is not a good day for you, sitting with a cut of almost 9 to 10 odd percent.
Yes, it is. And in fact, it has been on a downtrend ever since it listed, so it's just not seen any kind of respite.
Okay, all right. That is about Piramal Pharma as well. For now, we'll slip into a short break. We'll get you more on markets and stock-specific action. Stay tuned.